back to the channel. Those that are new here, my name's Taylor. This is the 907 Fantasy page, and this is where we profit off of sports. We cashed the free play again today. We are on a great win streak, and I cannot be more happy with what we are doing over here. So, taking a little look here, this was the free play that I gave out today for Monday Night Football. CeeDee Lamb and then Trey McBride. We cashed those easily, turned 5 and 850 there. Then over on VIP, we had another one, CeeDee Lamb and Jacoby Brissett for a nice easy win there as well. Gotta love when we profit over on VIP as well. I got a free pick for you today. I'm going to keep the video nice and short for you. But I got a free pick in the NBA. If you guys need any of the money out there that's available to you, if you want to build your bankroll, get on Chalkboard. They're going to give you a free $20. Sleeper, they're going to give you a free $20 plus an SGA free square for tomorrow's game against LA. Use the code 907 Fantasy, free $20, no deposit necessary. BETR, they're going to give you $10 plus a $200 bonus and a free square. It's not the Jaden Daniels one anymore. It's a different one. And then Dabble, they're going to give you a free $25 as well. So make sure you take advantage of all the free money that is out there. Don't leave that on the table before they lower those bonuses. So, like I said, this was VIP. Taking a look at the schedule for tomorrow, we got some NBA, we got some college basketball, probably some college football as well. But we're going to be mainly looking at the NBA. So we got Milwaukee at Toronto, Orlando at Atlanta, Philadelphia at Chicago, Charlotte at New Orleans, and Phoenix at Golden State, Oklahoma City at LA. So we got some good games on. I'm looking at a few props in the Orlando-Atlanta game, Philly-Chicago, Charlotte-New Orleans. There's some good props in there that I like. So for today's free pick, we're going over on Sleeper. You can add this SGA free pick into your lineup over there. Get on there, sign up with the code 907 Fantasy. That link is down in the description below. Claim your free $20. Use that $20 to put SGA and the free pick for today, which is Nickeil Alexander-Walker over 10 points and LaMelo Ball over 14.5 assists plus rebounds. So if we take a look at what they have been doing, rebounds plus assists, we'll see if the lines are even up. 14.5 for LaMelo Ball. He's averaging 19 over his last 5. And he's gone over this line in 5 of the last 5 games. Gone for 17, 26, 17, 20, 15. Going up against a New Orleans team that is still winless on the season. They are not a good team. Look for LaMelo to be just putting up numbers there. So I love that line at 14.5 there for LaMelo Ball. So we're taking that over there. And then we're taking Nickeil Alexander-Walker over 10 points. So if we take a look at his line here, we can find him, Nickeil Alexander-Walker right here. He's averaging 17.8 over his last 5. He's gone over this line in 5 of the last 5 games. He's gone over his normal 15.5. We've lowered that line down to 10. He's gone for 17, 17, 18, 21, 16. So that is a nice, easy win for us, turning 5 into 895 over on Sleeper. When you use the code 907 Fantasy, they're going to give you not only that $20 of free money, the SGA free square that you can add to this one to put SGA and Nickeil Alexander-Walker in those two cousins there together. Add all 3 of those into this lineup here. They're going to give you $20 SGA plus $100. Free money out there. Take advantage of it. But that is the free pick for today. So make sure you go over to Sleeper and get that locked in. If you guys need any of the other free picks out there, go over to the Winible and subscribe to the free plan. That is absolutely free to do. VIP gold level and full week pass as well. So good luck with all of your plays tomorrow for some NBA, college football, college basketball. Good luck with all of those plays. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow. We'll probably catch you guys tomorrow or the next day for some more NBA props before Thursday Night Football. So good luck with all of your bets, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow, and peace out.